Motorcycles Mechanics Workshop. The proper tool. When you work with motorcycles repair, you need to be familiar with working with tools, choosing the right one to each repair. This will avoid spending more time than necessary, also avoiding to break down your tools, generating even safety risk situations to yourself and the motorcycle parts and systems. To know each tool and its function, as well as right size to choose and use, is very much important and will help you to save your time when working. Adjustable wrenches are ideal to have when making sure that you have the right size for your repair. And remember, safety should be your utmost priority. Tools. Spanners and wrenches. Used to provide grip and mechanical advantage in applying torque to turn objects. Single open-ended spanner. Single-ended ring spanner. Ratchet ring spanner. Double open-ended spanner. Double-ended ring spanner. Double-ended ratchet ring spanner. Attention, British spanner. American, wrench. Adjustable spanner, British. Adjustable wrench, American. Pipe wrench, both British and American. Socket wrench. Torque wrench. Adjustable torque wrench. Socket wrench set. Torque wrench set. Allen wrench. Attention. Also hex key and Allen key. Screwdrivers and screws. Bolts. Used for screwing and unscrewing, inserting and removing screws and bolts. Flat head screwdriver. Flat head screw. Attention. Also slot head and straight head. Phillips screwdriver. Phillips head screw. Attention. Also crosshead. Square screwdriver. Internal square bolt. Attention. External square head screw. Important. Also Robertson head. Nut. Washer. Screws versus bolts. What is the difference between a screw and a bolt? Bolt. Screw. A bolt has a parallel section between the threaded section and the head. A screw has no parallel section, so the thread goes all the way to the head. Screws and bolts. Flat. A countersunk head with a flat top, abbreviated FH. Pan. A slightly rounded head with short vertical sides, abbreviated PN. Oval. A countersunk head with a rounded top, abbreviated OH or OV. Truss. An extra wide head with a rounded top. Round. A domed head, abbreviated RH. Hex. A hexagonal head, abbreviated HH or HX. Slotted hex washer. A hex head with built-in washer and slot. Socket cap. A small cylindrical head using a socket drive. Button. A low-profile rounded head using a socket drive. Slotted. Phillips. Square drive. Allen. Torx. Allen security. Schrader. Tri-wing. Torx security. Positive. Clutch. Spanner. Other tools. Framing and rip hammer. Mallet. Plier. Needle nose plier. Bent nose plier. Vise. Electric solder. Multitester. Remember. Round. Square. Triangle. Tapered. Flat. Homogeneous surface. Rough texture. Smooth texture. Exercise. Answer. What is important about tools when working with motorcycles repair?
Choosing the right tool for each repair.
What can avoid to choose the right tool for each repair?
Can avoid spending more time than necessary and also to break down your tools.
What can save your time when working on a repair?
To know each tool and its function, as well as the right size to choose.
What wrenches should be ideal to have?
Adjustable wrenches.
What should be the utmost priority during a repair?
Safety should be the utmost priority.
Use
Phillips screwdriver.
to remove Phillips head screw. The
Screwdriver.
is used to insert and remove screws. Use
Flat head screwdriver.
to flat head screw. Use
Square screwdriver.
to internal square screw.
Spanners and wrenches.
Are used to apply torque to turn objects. Connect. Flat head screwdriver.
Square screwdriver.
Phillips screwdriver. Motorcycles mechanics workshop. Tools. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.